I guess on Discord you can see and hear me loud and clear. Let me share the link on YouTube. Sorry for the problem. I see a long here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to give it a signal. Give it as a signal. Let's see. I see a breaker. I'm gonna be marking it as an order block. Rather breaker. Let me send the link real quick from YouTube for everybody else to join. So the trade that I see is this, targeting previous hourly high. So we'll be taking this. If price retests into the breaker, that's a signal. Go for that long. See, as I've told you, I wanted to see what price does with this fair value gap, and it seems like price respecting it, right? So I'm very confident now that this fair value gap will be inverting on us. So if you feel like that's a plus scenario for you, go for it with a stop loss like this. Breaker, bullish breaker. Respecting it. Traded below 930 opening price. I'm very confident that this one will be working out. Let's see what it wanna do. There will be a level for partial here. See, we are winning on this one. Damn, large W. Were you able to execute on this? Because of the internet, I logged out from my Top Step account on this, but I was able to execute on other laptop on Apex. Price retested into it. I gave the signal on Discord as well. Partial done, coming out 24.23. Partial done. Trail your stop loss down here to 23.91 ish level. Very clean price action today. Two W's back to back for me. We got a partial. Now the stop loss is only 10 point. If it comes back down, I don't want to hold if price is going below this swing low. Reply W1 chart. Those who were able to take it, we have a partial. We are done with the partial. If you want, you can trail the stop loss to break even. This was a quick one. I've shared the narrative before price activated this setup, right? I've told you all I'm not gonna be going for a short as soon as price taps into this 50-minute gap. I'll wait to see price confirming the direction of the trade to me, and that happened with this 9:30 delivery. I'm sorry for my internet connection. That's what happens when you live on a third world country. Can't do anything on it. But 930 candle and the 931 candle basically confirmed the direction of the trend. As we respected this breaker, we have a SMT from higher time frame, and we also have let me check. We also have closed above the breaker here, right? Look at this candle. So that means what? Price activated the breaker, and I gave the signal as soon as price was retesting into the breaker and moving higher. So that was a nice one. Confident that this will be hitting the TP at previous hourly high. So that's gonna be a W for 40 points, and overall I'm gonna be up for today 40, 50, 60, 70, around 80 plus points. Very close to hit the TP. My execution was exactly at this candle at 934. Yes, back to back 2Ws F195 Samster, not giving back anything. Now the stop loss coming at break even, you all. Stop loss, put your stop loss at break even. I don't think price would be retesting the breaker. If it does, that's a low probability retest. We don't want to see price retesting it. So put your stop loss at break even and be confident price will be hitting to the TP. Those who missed it, it's because you are not familiar with how I trade 920 to 940 macro. On every stream, I tell you all to watch the lecture that I did inside Discord on 920 to 940 macro. I've showed you that lecture even today. It's coming here inside our channel. Let me find it. 930 lecture. This one. So in future, we're not gonna be missing the trade like this one. I know things happen, but I'm trying to learn, and it's really difficult when I can't join on Discord because the room is full and YouTube always cuts off right before New York opening. If it's too much of a problem for you, then I can't do anything on it, mate, because I'm suffering as well on it. Right? I'm trying to do my best with this internet connection. Yesterday it was good. Yesterday it didn't cause any problem. As I've told you, I've shared the narrative for this trade before the stream caused a problem. I've told you that wait to see how price is reacting from this fair value gap, and I've also told you that this breaker is likely will be getting hit. These fair value gaps will be giving you the narrative. That means if these two fair value gaps were getting violated, I would have shorted. And I've also shared the target for the short, which would be previous daily low and Friday's low. And for long, target was previous hourly high. Go back, rewind the stream, and the long appeared. Look at that, it was so clean. And I'm sorry for the internet problem. I can't do anything on it until I get back to Canada. So we all have to wait on that. Previous hourly. Let me see all the W's. Those who were able to take this trade. Come on. Show me the W's. Damn, look at the volatility here. Look at the volatility. I want to see at least 80% of the people uh, who were able to take this setup. That would be a W for me as well. I was able to execute this trade only on one of my accounts. I have funded accounts on TopStep and on Apex as well, but was only able to take it on Apex because of the internet connection, as it logged out my TopStep account from here. But it's totally fine. That was a signal on Discord, right? I think on Discord you were able to see the whole trade, but on YouTube it caused some problem. Break even, trailed it too early, really, Darren? Everybody share your execution on this trade. Everybody share your execution inside execution live inside this channel. Let me see your execution. Back to back 2 W's for me today. Yesterday was a very nice session for me. I was able to close my day with $3,000 profit. And today with two accounts, I took a trade on TopStep that turned out to be a W. Was able to take out like 30 points, $800. And on this one, another $1,000+. So this week is turning out to be very nice. We'll be waiting for the next trade. So with today's one signal, I'm basically over so much this week already. I've shared my monthly stats so that you all can go and see. Yesterday it turned out to be very profitable. I was able to take 2 trades yesterday. One I gave you all as a signal on stream, and the next one at PM session inside Power Hour macro. And today the stats will be shared here for today as well. I was able to take 2 trades, one on my Apex and one on my TopStep account, and that both of them turned out to be W. So hope this inspires you. I'm performing with over 60% win rate. I promise a win rate of 50 to 60% every month. And this month turning out to be very nice for me, very well for me. I hope it's like that for everybody else. Yes, my apologies as well, the breaker babe, because I'm on vacation for 2 months at my home country. I usually stream from Canada, and I never had any issue with internet there. Now here I'm getting a lot of issues. I'm paying so much for the internet, around $100 in Bangladesh, so that's a lot of money in Bangladesh, and I'm paying a lot, but still the internet connection is not good. But I'll be going back very soon, so I'm sorry on that.